Hello there. Welcome to MegaFactory. On today's journey, have you ever wondered what happens to those millions of banana leaves after the fruit is harvested? Well, you're in for a surprise. Join me as we explore the world's most advanced factory turning humble leaves into premium organic fertilizer. If you're as curious as I am, let's dive right in. And don't go anywhere. We have so many amazing discoveries ahead, so be sure to stay until the very end. Who would have thought these humble leaves would be queuing up by the truckload at our gates? It's like a mountain range made entirely of gold and brown. Hold on, watch this. A literal waterfall of dried leaves pouring out. And that massive industrial grabber? It's like a giant hand picking up a forest in one go. You can almost feel the scale of what's happening here. Our team is keeping a close eye on everything as the leaves start their journey on the conveyor. See that? Automated fans are blowing away the dust. It's all about starting with the cleanest material possible for our organic fertilizer. High-speed cameras are scanning every single leaf. Talk about attention to detail. Even the sound in here is amazing. That rustling is the symphony of a billion leaves preparing for their big transformation. Everything is perfectly distributed, and the sensors are checking moisture levels in real time. Just look at this floor. It's so clean and bright. We're finally ready to see what these leaves can really do. And here we go. The leaves are heading right into the mouth of that giant shredder. In an instant, they're cut into tiny fragments, moving like a dark river on the fast track to becoming something new. Now it gets even finer. This grinder is spinning at 3,000 RPM to turn those leaves into soft, fine fibers. High-pressure air keeps everything spotless inside. It's incredibly fast, isn't it? Safety first. We've got magnets pulling out any stray metal bits. And look at that screen. 100% processed. Even the tiny dust particles are sucked away so nothing at all goes to waste. Our technician is checking the quality of the fibers now. A little mist of water is added, and you can see the mixture getting darker and richer. It's starting to look like real life-giving soil already. The belts are crisscrossing everywhere, carrying that rich pulp under UV lights for total sterilization. We're keeping a very close eye on those pressure gauges to make sure every fiber is crushed just right. A final spin through the sifter to get the finest material, and wow, look at that output. That's a massive amount of shredded banana leaf ready for the next big step. Welcome to the heart of the factory. These giant silos are where the magic happens. The screens say Phase 1 is starting. These automated probes are diving deep into the pulp to check on things. We're introducing special microbes now, and they're spreading through the mass like tiny workers. Look closely. You can see the steam rising as the leaves start to warm up and break down naturally. That deep, rich black color is exactly what we want to see. While the lab monitors track all the microbial activity, the ventilation system keeps the air fresh. It's a perfectly controlled environment. Enzymes are moving through these pipes, and a pure microbial solution is sprayed right on top. It's like giving the fermentation process a super boost to turn these leaves into high-quality organic plant food. Everything in this corridor is kept perfectly sterile. When those sensors flash blue, we know the purity is certified. We even have automated scrubbers keeping the floors as clean as a laboratory. We're even monitoring the CO2 and internal temperatures with digital maps. A final injection of liquid nutrients ensures that the decomposition is fast, efficient, and packed with everything plants love. Now the compost enters this massive rotary dryer. It's tumbling around in the dark as those orange sensors monitor the heat. We're locking in all the goodness while removing the extra moisture. And out they come, dry granules ready for the pellet mill. Watch as it compresses the powder into these shiny, dark green-black sticks. They look almost like little gems, don't they? A river of pellets is flowing now. Automated fans are cooling them down, while sensors check their density. We need them to be strong and consistent so they're easy for farmers to use. Every batch is tested in these jars, reflecting our commitment to quality in the shiny steel machinery. These vibrating screens sort them by size, making sure only the best move forward. Our technicians are logging every detail of this batch. It's amazing to see them all moving so uniformly on the belt. If a camera spots even one irregular pellet, it's out of there instantly. A quick infrared scan for moisture, then a final check on the weight. It's incredible to think that all of this started as just a few dried leaves in a field, isn't it? We're at the finish line. The station is filling bags at high speed, sealing them, and coating them for the journey ahead. They're moving so fast now, heading straight for the warehouse. Our smart pelletizer is stacking them with such precision. It's actually quite relaxing to watch. And just look at the warehouse. Thousands of pallets, all filled with life-giving banana leaf fertilizer. The forklifts are busy loading the containers. And as that truck door closes with our logo, it's a proud moment. From a green farm to a high-tech factory and back to the earth. What a journey!